Hi guys, and welcome to Ignite Website Marketing, your #1 channel for website design, SEO, and digital marketing strategy. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below because I will be producing a lot of great content on this channel for you to help you jumpstart your online marketing so you can get more leads for your business. Today I want to talk to you about what a website is and how it's important. A website is your main hub spot online for your brand. It is the place where people go to see what it is you're selling, or to read a wonderful blog you create, or to buy your products. No matter what you're using your website for, it is the #1 spot where people go to get an idea of what your business is all about and to see what products and services you offer for certain particular people. It is your way to display your brand online and a tool for you to use on your social media platforms and ways to get more leads for your business online. So what you want to consider when you first get a website, you think to yourself, what am I going to do with the website? So think to yourself, what am I going to do with this website? Remember that. By that I mean, or do you want your website to be a place where people just kind of go to read the blog or to see your content? Do you want your website to be a place where people go to shop and purchase products from you? Do you want your website to promote your brand and services? These are the things you want to consider when creating a website. From there, you want to figure out how you're going to use it to your best advantage. And by this, I mean, are you going to use your website to get more leads for your business? Do you want people to contact you directly, email you, just read your blog, subscribe to your blog? These are some of the things you should consider when creating a website so you can figure out what it's going to be used for. Because when you have an idea of what your website is used for, you'll have that more. You'll be more clear, and then you'll be able to implement that website strategy. Your website is also an important sales tool. So once you kind of have your SEO and digital marketing down, and you drive funnels from your other sources like content marketing, like if you're doing something on YouTube or blogs or guest posting, you have that link that people will see that leads to your website, and that creates brand awareness. And from there, you could do it whatever it is you want done with your people to do when they go to your website. But do you want, like I said earlier, do you want them to read your content, subscribe to your email list so you can try to sell them something later on? Do you want to have them purchase some of your products if you're having an e-commerce store? Do you want them to call you to take you as their plumber if they're looking for a plumber service? These are the things that are really important. And so the website is another way for you to get leads. So when I'm have a website, I use a lot of I promote it by using content marketing through social media, YouTube, and other various platforms like guest posting, where I'll actually I'll write a blog on someone else's website where I'll get a backlink to my website on a high DA website that a lot of people go to. So that is what a website is. Again, your website is your most important online marketing tool, and it is the hub spot for for all your online sources. So, and you can promote your other online sources like your social media and blogs through your website, and then you can use your social media and other forms of digital marketing to drive traffic to it so you get new leads for your business. Or if you just want people to check out your blog and read your blog, that's fun. Or if you just want people to shop online at your store, this is how a website can benefit you.